That is what democracy is all about. Criticism, seeing the other side. So if I say anybody in government in Nigeria, or any government for that matter, is not doing well, let that government prove that it's doing well. It's not anything personal. So, Kabiyesi, your boss, Buhari, there's nothing personal between me and you. Just as if your boss, I am his boss, with all due respect. Now, the point is that I have been in that position longer than any Nigerian will ever be there. That is true. Because if any Nigerian comes in and has 2 terms, they will not have almost 4 years of military rule. So I have been there longer than any Nigerian will ever be there. So when I say something, I know what I'm talking about. So Kabiyesi, and anytime you say, hey, leave my boss alone, I say it's your boss, but I am also his boss. So you might also ask your boss to leave his boss alone or do what is right that his boss wants him to do.
Baba.
Now, Kabiyesi, on that note, I want to thank you again. And I want to thank you for taking the weight of Olubara, because I was ready for Olubara until you said. So Olubara will go live. Now, it now remains for me to specially thank Peter Okebukola, as always. All these, including